Okay, we're on to type 2. Denominator is a parabola with two zeros. So we have the function y equals x squared minus 4. And the reciprocal of that, which is 1 divided by x squared minus 4. Let's graph that. So there we go. Looks like what we're looking for. Let's verify the invariant points. So the invariant points are where the graphs have a y value of 1 and a y value of -1. So basically we're looking for the x values that correspond to the y values of 1 and -1. So we can again verify these by using the intersect calculation. So let's start on the right side. So there's y equals 1. That's one invariant point. That's where the two graphs intersect. And if you check that, that should be square root of 5. Remember, that was one of our invariant points, the x values. Let's check. Okay, the next one. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side here. This should be, we're going to expect it to be negative square root of 5. So there's y equals 1. This is the other invariant point. This is negative square root of 5. Okay, let's do the last couple. We expect this one to be negative the square root of 3. So there it is, negative square root of 3 for the invariant point at y equals -1. And then the last one. Okay, on the other side, the fourth and final intersection point, we're going to expect this to be positive square root of 3. And there's the other invariant point, y equals -1. Okay, and then lastly, let's verify our two vertical asymptotes. Remember, the vertical asymptotes come from the x-intercept values of the original function y equals x squared minus 4. So if I stay on the red graph and I trace, let's stay on the red graph and I trace x equals 2, I should expect no y value because x equals 2 is actually a non-permissible value on the reciprocal function. Likewise, let's trace an x value of -2, and again, we expect no y value because again, an x value of -2 is a non-permissible value for the reciprocal function 1 over x squared minus 4. So we're returning no y values.